Today I am reviewing the Logitech G29 driving force racing wheel and floor pedals. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're someone who loves racing games, driving simulators, or anything that gets your adrenaline pumping on virtual roads, then the Logitech G29 driving force racing wheel is one of the most iconic pieces of gear you can buy. It has been a go-to choice for years, and today it remains one of the most reliable and best value racing wheels for PlayStation and PC players. So in this review, I'm going to break down exactly what makes the G29 so popular, who it's best for, and whether it's still worth buying today. Let's start with the overall design and build quality. The G29 immediately feels premium the moment you unbox it. The wheel features a hand-stitched leather covering, giving you a firm, comfortable grip that genuinely resembles a real car steering wheel. The metal paddle shifters feel solid, responsive, and satisfying to click. Logitech built the entire structure around durability, using stainless steel, high-quality plastics, and sturdy internal components, so the wheel feels like it's made to last for years, even with intense use. Now, moving on to the thing that truly sets the G29 apart, real force feedback. This is where Logitech's engineering really shines. The wheel uses helical gearing, which creates an extremely smooth and quiet force feedback system. Instead of vibration motors, this wheel actually fights back, giving you resistance when you turn into corners, rumbling when you hit rough surfaces, and tightening up when you lose traction. The feedback is precise and gives you a sense of road texture, weight shift, and car control that instantly elevates your driving experience. Whether you're playing Gran Turismo, F1, Assetto Corsa, dirt rally, or even truck simulators, the G29 transforms your gameplay into something much more immersive and realistic. Another major highlight is the 900-degree rotation. This means you can turn the wheel 2.5 times, just like a real car. It's especially great for wide hairpin turns, drifting, and more demanding simulators where precision matters. And for newer drivers, Logitech software, the G Hub, lets you adjust sensitivity, dead zones, and force feedback strength, so you can tune it perfectly for your playstyle. Now let's talk about the pedal set, which is often an underrated part of a racing wheel. Logitech includes a full 3-pedal layout, accelerator, brake, and clutch, and the standout feature is the nonlinear pressure-sensitive brake pedal. Instead of a simple soft press, the brake stiffens as you push harder, giving you a much more realistic braking feel. The pedal base is wide and sturdy, so even on smooth floors it tends to stay in place. You can also adjust the pedal faces to match your preferred angle, which is great if you're particular about comfort or drive for long sessions. The G29 is also highly customizable. Through the G Hub software, you can tweak button layouts, wheel sensitivity, force feedback levels, and more. For sim racing fans, this level of customization is essential, especially when switching between different games or vehicles. Logitech even designed the wheel to work seamlessly with add-ons, such as the optional driving force shifter and with desk or racing rig mounts. The wheel is compatible with PS5, PS4, and PC, and it also works on Mac, which is a big bonus for macOS users. One thing to note, the G29 is specifically made for PlayStation and PC platforms. If you want something for Xbox, Logitech makes the G920, which is the Xbox version. So make sure you choose the right one for your setup. Another subtle but important point is sustainability. Logitech used 52% certified post-consumer recycled plastic in the G29, and the product is certified carbon neutral. So if you like supporting companies that make environmentally conscious choices, that's an added advantage. Let's move to performance. On the track, the G29 feels responsive, grounded, and impressive for its price. The force feedback is strong enough to feel realistic but not overly aggressive, so it's great for beginners while still satisfying for experienced sim racers. Driving with a wheel like this genuinely teaches you better control, braking technique, and cornering. It makes every racing game more fun, more precise, and more immersive. The pedal set performs exceptionally well for casual and mid-level sim racers. The brake pedal especially adds a layer of immersion that cheaper wheels lack. And the gear style, shifting with metal paddle shifters, feels natural and fast, perfect for high-speed racing. Of course, no product is perfect. The G29 is not a direct drive wheel, so it won't have the extremely strong force feedback that high-end wheels offer, but those cost significantly more, sometimes 5 to 10 times the price. So when you look at the value the G29 provides, especially with its build quality and performance, it's still one of the best entry-level to mid-range racing wheels available today. So, is the Logitech G29 worth buying? Absolutely, especially if you're upgrading from a controller or buying your first racing wheel. It offers incredible build quality, immersive force feedback, excellent pedals, wide compatibility, and a premium feel that justifies every dollar. For PlayStation and PC players, the G29 remains one of the safest and most enjoyable investments you can make if you love racing or driving simulators. Overall, The Logitech G29 driving force racing wheel delivers a realistic, durable, and deeply enjoyable racing experience, making it one of the most recommended wheels in the market for beginners and experienced sim racers alike.